Adding pages to your store gives your customers more information. For example, you could add an About Us page or a contact page. This will give customers the information they need to make purchases from you and cut down on customer service requests. Pages can be accessed from online store pages. Here you can see the pages you've already created, and you can add new pages. So let's click to add a new page. Here you have a title for the page and the content. The content is added via this WYSIWYG editor. Here you can edit the format of your text, so for example you can bold it or underline it, very much like using an application like Word. You can also add media, so for example images or video or a table. If you're confident using HTML, you can edit the HTML of the page directly by clicking on this button here. Here you will see the code which you can edit. You can toggle back by pressing the button again. When adding a title to your page, remember to add keywords so it can be picked up properly by search engines. At the bottom here you will see a preview for how the content will probably look on Google. By default it will use the content you've entered, so it'll be the title on the search engine results page will be the title from the page, and there you have the link, and there you have the meta description, which is a snippet from the content. You can use that by default, or you can edit the website SEO, so that enables you to add your own website title, your own description, and also to edit the URL for the page. The visibility of the page sets whether this page is visible or hidden, so whether it's in draft mode or not, and you can also determine the page's theme. By default you have the default page theme, which is just a blank theme, and content, which is a contact form for the page. If you want to add additional pages for themes, then you have to go into the theme editor and edit the HTML to add themes templates. Once you've finished the page, you can press save. Once you've finished the page, you can click view page in order to preview it. So this is a preview of what it would look like on the site. You can create another page, or you can duplicate the page and then edit it using this link here. You may also wish to add it to your store's navigation. We'll be discussing store navigation in a separate video. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.